Hi folks, this is Colin with Skelton Business Equipment. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the email print function in your copier. What it'll do is print attachments on a certain mail account that you want to set up in the machine. So what I've done is just created a generic Gmail account. This is probably the simplest way to get it done. You want to keep this email address a secret unless you're going to be giving it to someone who can print remotely on your copier. Alright, so what you do, first create that mail account, then you'll click this little settings button and click settings again. Then you want to go to forwarding and pop/IMAP and enable pop for all mail. And then I like to change this drop down to delete Gmail's copy, that way it won't be hanging on to everything that this account receives. And then click save changes. Once you've done that, you need to enable less secure apps. So go to myaccount.google.com/less-secure-apps and go ahead and enable that. And once you've done that, the next step is to open your machine's web page by typing the IP address into a web browser. If you don't know your machine's IP address, I'll put a link below with instructions on how to get that for you. But then go ahead and click System Settings. Then click Printer Settings. Then click Email Print Settings on the left. At this point, it'll ask you to log in. The default password is admin here. Go ahead and click Log In. And then here's what the settings you need to change. Go ahead and enable email print. The Gmail pop server is pop.gmail.com. The port number needs to be 995. And then don't check this pop authentication box, but go ahead and put the email account that you created here and the password for that account here. You can change the check interval from 5 minutes to 1 minute, and then check this enable SSL box here and go ahead and submit those changes. Once you've submitted, if you want to do a connection test, just click that execute button and you'll see that the connection succeeded. Alright, so at this point, everything on the copier is set up. So if you want to have that email account print something out, what it's going to do is print the attachment, any attachments on this message. So I'm going to put that email address here. The subject can stay blank, it doesn't matter what that is. Now if you have a picture like this in your email signature, it's going to print that on one sheet and then print your attachment separately. If you want to avoid that, what you can do is go to format text and just put the email on plain text, and then it'll print only the attachment there. So once you've done that, you can just click send and send anyway, and off it goes. So once this account receives that email, 1 minute later the copier will print it out for you. But that's it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Appreciate it.